Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. This tutorial will check if you have enabled the MTD self-assessment feature in your Rhino account, and if enabled, it will illustrate how to connect Rhino to your HMRC tax account. If you have enabled the MTD self-assessment feature, you should see the My Business and MTD ITSA menu options. If they are not visible, please refer to the tutorial to enable the Rhino self-assessment feature. Click on the Rhino menu and then click on the MTD ITSA menu. Rhino will prompt you to enter your national insurance number. If the prompt does not appear, click on the Edit button. Click on the Connect button. This will take you to the HMRC login screen. You will need to log into your HMRC tax account to ensure that you have authority to connect Rhino to this tax account. Once you have logged in, click on the Give Permission button to give the Rhino app permission to connect to your HMRC MTD Tax Account. Once connected, you will return to the Rhino app and you will see that the status has changed to Connected, and you will see other tabs appear across the top of this screen. Note, the additional tabs will not appear if you are not connected to your HMRC account. Now you should check that the information in your HMRC account is up to date. Click on the Quarterly tab and then click on the Refresh button. This important step will download the businesses and properties that you have registered with HMRC. If you encounter a forbidden error message when you click on the Refresh button, this is most likely because you have not signed up to Making Tax Digital Self-Assessment before connecting the app. In this case, you will need to sign up for Making Tax Digital Self-Assessment on the HMRC website and then retry clicking on the Refresh button. We have provided a user guide on our website that includes a link to the correct page on the HMRC website. It is important that the list of businesses and income types are accurate and complete, as it is used as the foundation of Making Tax Digital, i.e. recording digital records for each individual business and property. Note, if you need to update this information, you will need to log in directly to your HMRC account on the HMRC website. This information cannot be updated via the app. Once you are happy that the information is correct, repeat this step and refresh the business information in the Rhino app. You will now need to connect the self-employment businesses that you set up in Rhino to the equivalent business that you registered with HMRC. To do this, click on the Rhino menu and select the My Business menu option. Click on the Settings icon and connect each business with the correct HMRC registered business. Once connected, you will see the Submit button that you will use to make the quarterly submissions. Note, you will be required to submit an update for each self-employment business. However, you do not need to connect each individual property to HMRC, you only upload a summary for each type of property, i.e. a summary for your UK properties and a summary for your foreign properties. It is important to emphasize that this is a one-off exercise, and once completed, you will not need to do this again. Think of it as a key step to complying with the Making Tax Digital self-assessment process. We have tried to make this feature as simple as possible. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.